So the other day I was dinking around in the driveway and there it was. I saw it. Josh, darn it! There's an oil leak coming out of my car. It made a big mess on the driveway. It's actually from a power steering fluid leak, which I'll cover the diagnosis and repair for in another video. But in the meantime, let's clean up this oil mess. I am Joshua Biderman and welcome to my channel. So here's this disgusting oil stain in the concrete. I'm going to show you the fastest and most reliable way I know to pull the stain out and make the concrete dry and clean again. So this puddle has a wet spot because it's fresh. It's also drying out on the bottom because of the cleaner I was spraying in the car. Here's the cleaner we'll be using. It's brake and parts cleaner. This is Denco brand, but you can use any brand, even big box store brands. First you want to take and wipe up the wettest spots with a rag. If it's an old dried up stain, it may require additional applications or some short soaking. Take your cleaner and start spraying across the ground. Don't spray it right on, but you want to sort of push the stain or push the spray into a direction. This will pull the oil right up out of the concrete and suspend it in the liquid. Now you want to wipe it up immediately, starting from the direction that you were spraying, and wipe it to absorb. Don't wipe it to smear it around. And change your rag often. You don't want to just be pushing yuckies around. Get them out of there and clean it up. Now you'll have to do multiple applications, usually 3 to 5 for most spills of this type, but it'll dry right out real quick. So brake cleaner is a highly volatile non-polar solvent. This means that it will dissolve oil-based substances out of surfaces and it evaporates very quickly and with little or no residue. Because of the quick evaporation, it'll pull things up out of porous materials like concrete. That's why it works so well for this application. Also, I'm using a grease rag that's coated in an oil-absorbent solvent. These are the red grease rags. You can also get the disposable blue shop towels. Because of their non-polar solvent, they don't soak up water worth of nothing, but they sure do pull up oil like nobody's business. All the chemistry mumbo-jumbo aside, just keep spraying and wiping. Spray it in the one direction and wipe it from that direction forward. And as you can see here, it's already starting to evaporate and clean up really nice. Now, normally I jump around in my videos to minimize downtime and keep things interesting, but in this case I wanted to have a real-time presentation of how long and how much effort it actually takes to clean up this oil mess. You can see it right before your eyes in real time, just how long this takes for the concrete to dry out and clean up. Now, if you already know this trick, then this is obviously no big surprise for you, but I remember when I first learned it, I thought I discovered a form of magic. I've driven older cars and worked on stuff all my life, so it's been fairly common for me to have an embarrassing oil spot where I parked my car. It's like having a food stain on an otherwise clean white t-shirt. Being able to clean up after it when it happens has been a great source of not irritating the people I happen to visit from time to time. And if you're interested in keeping up appearances and have someone who has a leaky clunker they park in your driveway from time to time, this will be a great advantage for you. Now, I've talked about as long as I can about non-polar solvents and embarrassing oil stains on your driveway, but look at what's happening here. It's cleaning right up. That concrete's drying right out. There's the barest little whisper of an outline perimeter stain, which will go away with a little bit of sunshine and some rain. Now let's give her one more spray and wipe. Spray on, wipe off, and we'll see how it looks. We'll let this one evaporate to get a good look at what we've really done here. And here, let me pull up a side-by-side so we can see before and after as it evaporates. So the difference is remarkable. And with about 3 minutes of work, we went from the disgusting oil stain on the left to the evaporating, dry and clean, soon to be no stain at all on the right. You can see on the top it still needs a little more work, which I'll continue to do after the video, but I'm going to take a moment to marvel at the cleanliness. Thank you for watching me clean up the oil mess in my driveway. I hope you learned something really useful here. Please like and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow. I'm trying to get bigger and post more often. I will post a video about the diagnosis and repair of the power steering fluid leak in the next week or two. Thank you so much for watching and have a super fantastic day.